Hello friends, today we will discuss LSW or listening, speaking, writing, reading and writing skills. Then we will solve the MCQs based on them. So first of all, we will discuss the skills. So first skill is listening skill. Listening is an active process of receiving and understanding spoken messages. It includes recognizing sound, understanding meaning, and responding appropriately. For example, the teacher plays a short story and asks the students to identify the moral or sequence of the events. So activity can be listen and draw. Storytelling, rhymes, and audio clips are used for listening comprehension. Second is speaking skill, which means expressing thought, feelings, or ideas orally in a clear and meaningful way. In classroom, students perform role play based on textbook dialogue. So it is speaking. It provides opportunities for oral interactions, dialogues, role plays, and debates. Third is reading skill. Reading is decoding written text to comprehend ideas and meanings. It can be intensive reading, detailed understanding, extensive reading, that is reading for pleasure, loud and silent reading. Classroom example can be students read a short passage and underline unfamiliar words. So these are the example of reading skill. And here reading aloud is encouraged in early stages, then silent reading for comprehension. Fourth is writing skill, which means writing is the ability to express ideas using correct grammar, vocabulary, and organization. So it can be of various stages, that is copying, controlled writing, guided writing, recomposition. Classroom example can be students write a short paragraph on my favorite season. So it can be in the form of diary entry, it can be form of picture explaining like that. Now we will discuss the MCQs based on LSR, listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. So first question is, which of the following activities best develops listening skills in primary learners? A, copying from the board. B, reading a passage silently. C, listening to a story and answering questions. D, writing a paragraph. Answer is C, listening to a story and answering questions. Listening to stories and responding improves comprehension and attention. Key component are the key components of listening skills. Second is speaking skill can be best developed through A, dictation exercise, B, grammar drills, C, role play conversation and practice, D, copying paragraphs. Answer is C, that is role play and conversation practice. Role plays and dialogues create real life speaking and context and improve fluency and confidence. Third is silent reading in primary classes helps to A, improve handwriting, B, increase oral fluency, C, independent comprehension, D, improve spelling. Answer is C, that is develop independent comprehension. Silent reading develops self-reliance and comprehension abilities. Question number 4, a teacher asks students to write a short paragraph describing their favorite festival. This activity mainly develops A, reading skill, B, writing skill, C, listening skill, D, speaking skill. Answer is B, writing skill. Composition tasks promote writing skills, creativity, and organization of thought. Question number 5, the integration of listening, speaking, reading, and writing in language learning. A, confuses learner. B, develops overall communicative competency. Is not possible at the primary level. Is useful only for advanced learners. Answer is B, that is develops overall communicative competence. Integrated LSRW activities mirror real-life language use, promoting holistic communication ability. Question number 6. Which of the following is an example of an authentic listening task? Listening to an audio grammar drill. B, listening to a recorded classroom instruction. C, listening to an English news bulletin. D, listening to word spellings. Answer is C. Listening to an English news bulletin. Authentic listening tasks use real world materials like news announcements or interviews. Question number 7. Reading aloud in early grades primarily helps to A. Improve voice modulations, B. Develop word recognition and pronunciation, C. Encourage creativity, and D. Teach grammar rules. Answer is B. Develop word recognition and pronunciation. Reading aloud reinforces phonetic awareness and word recognition. Question number 8. Which sequence best represents the natural order of LSRW skill development? A. Writing, reading, speaking, listening. B. Listening, speaking, reading, writing. C. Reading, writing, listening, speaking. D. Speaking, listening, writing, reading. Answer is B. Language acquisition follows this natural order LSRW. First we listen, then speak, then read, and then write.